Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the unknown error requesting auth on TradingView, broken authentication. So here's how you can easily fix. Step 1 is to check internet and disable the VPN connection. So you can firstly check your internet connection. Also, if you have a Wi-Fi, you can try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile network. Also, you can try to connect with a strong Wi-Fi network if you have multiple. And then after also, you can move to the open area where there is a no concrete walls that block the network. Next step, you can disable the VPN connection. So when VPN is connected, it will slow down your network and causing a network related problems. So firstly, you can disable the VPN, then restart your device and then reopen the app again. Also, when the VPN is connected, you will get a authentication error because your base location will be changed. The next step is you can simply reconnect the broker account properly. So once you open your the trading panel, here you can try to reconnect with your broker. Okay, because when the broker, sorry, the broker may sometimes disconnected. So then you can try to reconnect with your broker. The step 3, you can clear the cache memory and reinstall the app. So sometimes clearing a cache memory can refresh the system UI and software related problems. So you can go to your app list. Now here you can long press on the application icon, go to app info, go to storage and now click on clear the cache memory. Also, once the clear cache will not fix your problem, then you can uninstall the app and reinstall using a Google Play Store or App Store. And the final step is you can update the application. So once you are using a old version of the application, then you will get a authentication error because sometimes a new update the parameters will be changed. So you can open the App Store, Google Play Store, tap the application and check for any kind of update. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.